Did you know certain foods can actually boost your metabolism and melt fat like a blowtorch? Does it sound too good to be true? Prepare to explore the 8 meals scientifically proven to burn stubborn belly fat and help you get your ideal physique faster than you think. With all the diet and fad talk in 2024, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You don't need miracle medications or crash diets. The correct foods with the appropriate ingredients may boost your metabolism, suppress appetite, and automatically burn fat. Healthy fats in avocados keep you satisfied and help your body burn fat rather than retain it. And guess what? Fiber-rich, they reduce appetite and snacking between meals. Next, eggs. They provide high-quality protein and induce fullness, preventing overeating later in the day. The protein increase also builds lean muscle, which burns more fat. Before we continue, if these recommendations are useful, like and subscribe for more life-changing nutrition tips to accelerate fat reduction. Next, blueberries. Antioxidants and fiber in these small powerhouses keep you full and stabilize blood sugar. This implies less cravings and improved mealtime control. Remember green tea. It contains catechins which assist the body burn fat, especially belly fat. Combine that with its metabolism-boosting properties and you have a daily fat burner. But this is big. Lean chicken breast. This protein-packed staple fills you up and promotes muscle building for long-term fat reduction. The game changes for committed dieters. Greek yogurt is essential for leanness. Speaking of fat loss champions, protein and probiotics promote digestion and intestinal health, decreasing bloating and helping you have a flat stomach. Another superstar? Chia seeds. These tiny but powerful seeds swell in your stomach, keeping you satisfied for hours and providing fiber and omega-3 fatty acids for fat reduction. We end with nuts, almonds specifically. With healthy fats and protein, they keep you energized and limit cravings, making them the perfect fat reduction snack. Avocados, eggs, blueberries, green tea, lean chicken breast, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and almonds are your fat loss weapons. These 8 meals enhance metabolism and satisfy, making fat reduction easier and more successful. Now your turn. What is your favorite fat loss food? Comment. Our other video on hacking your metabolism for fat loss has more diet ideas.